Welcome to our tutorial on how to enter dates in Excel. Accurately entering and formatting dates is crucial for data analysis, scheduling, and financial calculations. Let's explore the different methods for entering dates in Excel. First, and the simplest way to enter a date in Excel is by directly typing it into a cell. First, select the cell where you want to enter the date. For this example, we'll use cell A1. Type your date in a format that Excel recognizes, such as 1/1/2024. Once you've entered the date, press Enter. Secondly, you can also use Excel's built-in date functions to enter dates. Let's use the Today function, which returns the current date. Select cell B1. Type $sign and today, and open blank parenthesis, and press Enter. Excel will automatically insert today's date. Thirdly, the date function allows you to specify the year, month, and day. Select cell C1, type equal and date and open parenthesis. Then enter year as 2024 and add a comma. Then enter the month. I will enter 1, which is January. Then enter day following a comma. I will enter 31 and press Enter. This will enter January 31st, 2024 into the cell. Fourth, AutoFill is a powerful tool for entering sequential dates. Start by typing the initial date in a cell. Let's use cell D1 and enter 1/1/2024. Select the cell with the date, click and drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner, down to fill the series. Excel will automatically continue the sequence of dates. You can customize the format of your dates to fit your needs. Select the cell containing the date you want to format. Let's select cell A1 again. Right-click the cell, select Format Cells, and navigate to the Number tab, then select Date. In the Format Cells dialog box, choose a custom date format that suits your needs. Once selected, click OK. This will apply the new format to your date. I have a bonus tip for you. Data validation can help ensure that users enter dates correctly. Select the range where you want to enforce date entry. Let's select cells E1 to E12. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon, click on Data Validation, and select Data Validation again from the drop-down menu. In the Data Validation dialog box, set the criteria to allow dates. For example, you can specify that dates must fall between 1/1/2024 and 12/31/2024. Click OK to apply the validation. Let's verify the validation criteria by entering a date. First, I will enter 1/1/2023 in cell E1. It will show an error message as I have entered a date that is out of the specified range. Therefore, we'll enter a new date as 1/1/2024. It will record as it is, as it fall into specified range. To recap, we covered 5 methods for entering dates in Excel: direct entry, using date functions, autofill for sequential dates, custom date formats, and data validation. These techniques will help you manage your data more effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.